So let's take a look at what operational processes are. We have several operational processes on the site today. As part of the beta program, we have automated provisioning, virtual center HA, enterprise virtualization, and disaster recovery, and we're working on chargeback. So authoring an operational process, you can actually click on view all the processes in order to take a look at what we have and allowing you to create operational processes. Operational processes are a specific document type that's stored in the wiki, which will allow multiple companies to edit how they've actually accomplished a given task. So we can look at one section we have using operational processes where we describe what an operational process is. We give you a list of what operational processes we'd be interested in having authored, as well as usage guidelines for operational processes. So we will take any operational process that a customer has actually developed at a customer site, but we also have a list of operational processes we think most people have probably started to implement in their data center. The other thing we have is we have some links on creating and editing processes. So we have a README on how to actually edit a operational process. We have icons, we have different miscellaneous icons, and we actually give you an operational process template so that you can get started with the sections that we think are relevant for capturing how a process has happened at a data center. So we have multiple operational processes on the site. You can go take a look at one of these. We're going to go take a look at an automated provisioning operational process. If we look, we have a virtual complexity rating. How hard is the operational process? Automated provisioning is a 3. This was actually implemented by Nationwide, a company in Britain. And then we can scroll down through and we capture relevant information on how Nationwide actually implemented automated provisioning. So we have, for instance, if we take a look at the sections in detail, you'll see that in fact we actually can edit these guys, and Nationwide and a company called Enigmatic has come in and actually edited the individual operational process where they've put in data about how they actually implemented this process at their site. So if we want, we'll come over and take a look at the edit button. Each one of the major sections has an edit button on the website because this is a wiki and you can actually edit the content. Next thing we'll do is we'll take a look at the edit capability by clicking on the edit, and you'll see that we still have the web page, but if we scroll down we can actually look at the editing tools themselves. So we'll scroll down to the bottom and then we'll take a look at the fact that we actually have in here finance, IT, support, target department, and this is where you can actually edit in wiki text what department was actually impacted by this operational process, how you actually accomplished this, how did you choose what target department, and once you're done editing you can save the page, you can show or preview the page, or you can actually cancel your editing. And if you want to see what changes have actually been made in a document, you can actually take a look at the history button and you can actually see what edits have been done by yourself or the community, and you can actually take a look at the differential between your previous version and a new version that's actually been posted on the site. So the wiki environment allows you to keep track of what content you've actually edited on the site and what other users have actually changed things on your documents. And so we've started to look at what an operational process is. Feel free to click through and look at these, look at the sections that we're capturing, and feel free to edit if you've discovered something in your data center that's different than this operational process. You can edit this process, or you can copy this process to a new file and save a new named process. At the same time, because this is a wiki environment, you can add images. So the Enigmatic folks uploaded some architectural diagrams around how their platform works. Their software allows you to point your browser at a website and then automatically provision based on policy. So they've uploaded that information. Nationwide has uploaded what platforms they actually used when implementing this process. So you can see the hardware and the software. And basically, the template that we've posted in operational processes gives you everything you need in order to capture how you've done something at a customer site, or the customer itself has done things. So because it's multimedia aware, because the wiki allows you to upload multiple types of documents, from video to spreadsheets to PowerPoint presentations, you can actually embed a chalk talk on how to accomplish an operational process. So what we've showed you here is our operational process section, and what we're looking for the community to do is help us build out the operational processes on our site. I hope this has been helpful, and click on more of these audio tracks with video in order to see what else we've done on the site. Thanks.